incredible course to come and see, honestly. There's so much to learn.
These guys will help you with your passive recoveries. They'll show you how to crystallize. They'll show you how to wash HTE from that crystal. They'll show you how to use those products to formulate new ones.
Very impressed with like the space and the crew and everything.
The fall seminar has been great for me, really just learning the overall versatility of the equipment.
As an experienced extractor, I took so much from this, and the connections we made this weekend are just totally amazing.
They really know what they're doing. They will up your game.
Super fucking rad.
Great, awesome, and fun.
Really fast crash.
It was fun, very educational, and cold. Cold crash.